What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a couple mods for my car. Today we're going to be installing Vortex generators on my car. We have the little ones on my car right now. Me and Andrew both have the little ones, but we're going to be going to the bigger ones, the full thing that goes across. Also, we're going to be installing a window visor thing like we did on Andrew's car a couple videos back. We decided we both wanted them, and we might as well throw it in this video because we can't make another video of that. We already did it once, so we're not going to do it twice. So we're going to be installing that today, and obviously, like I said, installing that on there. I'm just trying to mix it up because obviously I don't want my car to be the exact same as Andrew's, and he doesn't want mine to be like his. So I'm going to be mixing it up and pretty much installing the long one. And we always wanted to know how they look because it's more meaty, and since my rear end is pretty meaty because I had the conversion kit, I thought this would be a good way to put more meat on the rear end too. And I had some big plans for the future for this car. So let's get into cleaning up that and then installing the Vortex generators.
Alright guys, so to get Josh's Vortex generator on, we have to take off his little dinky ones that I have on. I personally like that look, but like Josh said in the intro clip, we just had to go for something different. And honestly, it'll probably look good with the fin thing too. But for now, let's just get into, we're just going to time lapse taking off the Vortex generators, the little ones. We did this in the wrap video too. All we have to do is use some heat and just our fingers peel off all the gunk. They come off pretty easy, but they also do stick pretty well. But just to get them off, it's easy if you're tugging on it. So we'll get those pulled off. Yep. We'll get those pulled off, and then we'll go from there and install the good Vortex generator. Josh is just wiping off all the water on the car because since it's winter and stuff, some snow has melted, but now he's just wiping it off. Then we're going to go to putting the rubbing alcohol on. Basically the same exact steps as we did with my window visor is the same for the Vortex generator and the window visor here. The only thing that kind of sucks about this one is it doesn't completely like lengthwise, it doesn't completely go with the car. Like it kind of stops about like a finger width right here. We'll show you in like clips and stuff. It's not perfect and it kind of has a little bit of an angle. The shop that we got it from did kind of tell us that it might not be perfect, but we just went for it anyway. We were not sure if we like it as much as the individual ones because the individual ones are a little bit cleaner, but we're just gonna go for it, see how it is. And the perks with this is just 3M tape, so if we heat it back up, it can come back off. But yeah, we just filled you in on what we're doing. So now we're gonna get into putting the rubbing alcohol on and making it clean as possible. Lining this with 3M tape, and then we'll get to sticking it. Hopefully it sticks and doesn't peel up. Josh can just check it in the morning and see if it has peeled up or not overnight. If it has, then we'll have to take it back off, sadly. But for now, yeah, let's get into cleaning off the car perfectly and taping this up. Alright guys, so we have cleaned up the roof of the car and we have taped up the new window visor. We're going to be able to put those two things on. First, we're going to put the shark fins on, and it's just one Vortex generator like we showed you. So we're going to put that on, not completely in line with the roof, and then we're going to throw on the window visor. So yeah, let's just get into that.
Alright guys, so we got it on. This is currently the next day because we tried to put it on the first time and we weren't really happy with the fitment, but we decided to go through it anyways. I'll show you guys the little bit of messed up fitments that there is. If you really look in there, you can kind of see that a little bit of gapping, and right there, it doesn't really stick 100% perfect. But other than that, I don't know if it's just because of the year of my car. We tried to call J-Spec and they told us that it should fit. There's no reason why it shouldn't. And so then we asked them if we could take it back, and they said it would cost us money. So we decided just to go through with it. So the fitment's not 100% like perfect, but we did it anyways, like I said. So if you guys are getting it yourself, it might not fit your car perfectly.
All right, guys, so that is the end of today's video. As Josh was saying, the fitment isn't great, but we will link it down below. It looks decent with the visor, but the fitment on the Vortex generator isn't great, but we will link it like I just said. Also want to apologize to you guys. We did have big plans for this video like we talked about in last week, but those got postponed because of technical difficulties. So those will be seen next week. Get excited, guys. Like we said last time, it is a big video and it's a big game changer for our channel. So anyway, guys, check out our socials, sboys_TV. That's Instagram and TikTok. Check out Motor Element. Use code SBOYS for 15% off, and we'll see you guys next week. And they. All right, guys. My brother.
What is going on, guys?
Daddy, my pussy hurts. Is that perfect? Like.
Oh, buddy, I want to hear you talk over there, bud.
I'm just saying.
Buddy.
I say but I'm just saying. I don't.
And little Scooby Hood in the background.
Yep. Little teaser.